Hey everybody, welcome back to my channel. It is Ivory. So today I am doing this look that you see right here. It was requested that I do a colorful look by Yao, so thank you for that. I will link his channel in the description box below. He does some great, beautiful, colorful looks that I would never think to do, but you may be inspired, so please feel free to look at his channel when you have a chance and subscribe to him as well. This request was asking me to push through my comfort zone and do something that you guys wanted to see, and I want to do what you guys want to see. So if you have any requests, please feel free to leave them in the comments below. Before we get onto the look, please be sure to subscribe if you haven't already. I post new videos every Wednesday and then post occasional bonus videos throughout the week. So without further ado, let's just get on with the look. Okay, so my base is done, so I'm just gonna go straight into the eyes. For eyes today, I'm using the NYX Ultimate Eyeshadow Palette. This is the colorful version. If you've watched any of my past videos, or maybe I didn't put that video up yet, but I have used this version. It is the Warm Neutrals version of this. It does an okay job. It's not like the best thing ever. I still prefer my BH Cosmetics, but I do really like how small and compact this packaging is. Okay, so for my transition shade, I'm going to use this pink shade right here, and I'm gonna apply this everywhere on my lid and leave just a tiny space between my eyelid and my eyebrow. Okay, next with this hot pink color right here, I'm just gonna apply it pretty much everywhere that I just applied that lighter pink, and I'm just gonna really build this color up so that it's a little richer. I don't really apply too much product in the middle here because I know I'm gonna go in with like a different lid color, so I don't have to worry so much about applying it there. I'm really kind of just focusing this color on the outer portion of my eyes. Okay, with a different brush, I'm just gonna take this neonish purple shade right here, and I'm only gonna apply this to the outer V and then right in the socket of where my eyeball crease is. For me, it's not that I don't like colorful looks. I really appreciate them and I think they're so much fun to watch. But for me personally, I just don't go anywhere where this would be appropriate. Like, my office is conservative, so this definitely wouldn't fly. And my husband doesn't like makeup whatsoever, so there's like no way we would go out on a date night and he'd be like, "Are you wearing that or changing? You can take that off, right?" Okay, with this darker purple on the same brush, I'm just gonna only focus this right here on the outer end of my eye. Okay, with the first brush that I use with the pink, I'm not gonna add any more product. I'm just really gonna sweep this everywhere so that everything is melted together. Next, I'm gonna take the Makeup Revolution Defining Conceal Concealer, and I'm just gonna place this on my eyelid. I'm only applying this to the inner half of my lid, and then with my concealer brush, I'm just gonna kind of carve this out. Okay, once that is carved out, I am going to take this blue right here with my finger and just apply it to my lid wherever the concealer is. Be careful with this because using your finger, you know, you could easily go outside, so just add a little bit and then take a brush and then go towards the edges. Okay, with a flat shade brush, I'm just gonna be a little more careful and then carve this out. Okay, with the brush that I use the purple with, I'm just gonna take that same purple and mix it with this neon purple and just apply, like blend this out with the blue so it's not like harsh. Okay, with the Mint Pear M64 brush, I'm just gonna take some Coty Airspun and just wipe this and angle it on my eye, on the outsides of my eye, just so that it gives it a more cat-like effect. And I'm gonna let that sit for a while. And then using the first brush that we use for the pink, I'm gonna take a little bit more of the pink, both colors, and then I'm just gonna apply this on the outside, and I'm gonna bring this in. So I'm gonna bring this to the inner tear duct and then also to my brow bone. Okay, so all of the colors are matte. So I want a little bit of a shimmery lid. So I'm gonna take this white right here from my Beige Cosmetics palette. And then with my finger, I'm just gonna apply this over the blue very carefully as if it's like a eyeshadow topper. I don't want it to take away from the blue. I just want to add a little bit of a shimmer. Okay, with that same white color, I'm just gonna apply that to my inner corner and my brow bone, just the white itself. Ooh, I love this white with this color scheme. I don't typically like a stark white like this for my inner corner, but this really goes. I'm also gonna apply it to my nose as well. It's kind of like a highlight. Okay, to finish off the look, I'm gonna take this hot pink right here and just line my waterline. And then with this neon pink, I'm gonna use this to smoke out the neon. I'm gonna take this kind of far below. Okay, so I look a little crazy. That's okay, it's a work in progress. I'm going to be adding a wing. I'm going to use the Maybelline Eyestudio in the shade Blackest Black. Okay, so my liner is on, so I'm going to take this black liner from It Cosmetics, and I'm just gonna line my waterline with it. Okay, so with the same color that I used to highlight my inner corner, I'm gonna take that white, and I'm also gonna take this champagne yellow color, and I will use that as my highlight today. Ooh, I love that. Okay, and then to top it off, I am going to use the NYX Soft Matte Lip Cream in the shade Ibiza. Some people might want a more tame color because the eyes are like really out there, but I'm a go hard, go home type of girl. So you asked for a colorful look, so it's gonna be colorful everywhere. Okay, and then the very last step, I'm gonna take that white that we used for my inner corner and for my highlight, and I'm just gonna pop this on my lips as well. You see, it like turned it into like this neon pink. I hate this. I hate it, I hate it. No. Take two. Okay, so I just applied the Tarte Wonder lip cream. It doesn't say what shade it is, but it looks like this. Okay guys, so this is the completed look. I actually really like the way this turned out. I think it looks super fun. Let me know what you think. I do plan on doing more colorful looks with this palette, so please be on the lookout for that. If you have any requests, let me know. I will see you next week. Bye!